life, so you can feel their energy. It changes everything. Energy changes everything.
It sure does.
Guys, we can throw gifts this time. We can throw gifts on this PK. Bitch, throw me a fucking bone, bitch. So, what? Don't throw me a bean. Throw me a bone, bitch. Fuck that. Somebody throw me a bone over here. Thank you, baby. It's me and you, Malia. Oh, that's beautiful.
Let's go ahead and get some more left on.
Should I? Is that? I wish my forehead was that small. Oh my god! If my whole forehead was that small, people wouldn't hate me so much. I think people hate me because my forehead is just really big.
Oh my god!
I think people just hate me because my forehead's big. I think if my forehead looked like this, none of you would hate me. None of you. And my baby drew me like that, so you can't hate me in this picture that you will praise me in later. Because this picture will be the picture that you will praise later on in your life. You know how you're praising Jesus right now? You will praise this picture. And watch this nigga try to get his woman to draw a picture of you. You don't have an artist. And they can't draw you and they can't make a sculpture of you. So you being a Messiah is not... They can't draw you. They can give you money, but they can't draw you. Can any of your wives draw you, Visa? I want one of your wives to draw him. Draw him, please. Draw Visa. 2 of my wives are master artists.
I could work. I'm sure
they're master. 2 of my wives are master artists. They're master artists. 2 of my wives are master artists. Sheba and Nateri. Master artists. Show them the other pictures, baby. Okay. Master.
I'm not going to show that one. It's not done yet.
And she's done many pictures.
I don't have much, actually.
She's done many, but this is just the beginning of this book she's doing.
Right.
She's done many.
There's that one.
Okay? She makes you look magical. She's a lady in the street that makes you look magical. Okay? If you're walking down the street, you get a picture of her, she will, yeah.
No, I'm thankful.
Real gifts.
I like to give anyway.
Real gifts. Real gifts. Go, continue to draw me, baby. Continue to draw me. I like when you're diddling on me. Can you diddle on me?
Yeah, I mean, I need color pencils.
You need color? What do you need, baby? You want to go to the store and get some color pencils?
No, I don't.
It's your birthday. You can get whatever you want today. I'm your genie. You rubbed my bottle last night, so you got 3 wishes.
You're funny.
I'm just messing with you, baby. Just messing with you. I just want to see you smile. I just want to see you smile. You don't smell me anymore. You're so fluffy. I love you. Okay. You're fluffy. I love you because you're fluffy.
You're fluffy too.
You're fluffy. I'm fluffy when I want to be. Yeah. You're fluffy every day. And today's your birthday and you don't want to do anything?
I don't know what to do.
She doesn't know what to do. Anybody want to give her an idea what she could do on her B-Day? You could suck on a popsicle like this.
No, thank you.
You don't want a popsicle? You don't want a popsicle? Do you want a cake?
This is a fruit bar.
She doesn't do cakes. I know her. She doesn't do cakes. She have cakes. She don't do cakes.
Wish I had more cakes.
No, you did, but you will get them back more. Yours is amazing. You have... And that ain't even all the cakes that you carry. You carry more cakes. And niggas just don't know how many cakes you carry. You're the cake factory, nigga.
Okay, I get it.
Bro, what is you doing, bro? You making me uncomfortable, bro. For 11 minutes? For 11 minutes? You gonna make me uncomfortable for 11 minutes? Really?
I can't.
You gonna make me uncomfortable for 11 minutes? Really? Why you doing it like that, though? Why can't you do it off?
Why can't I eat a pasta?
You did this on purpose.
What's wrong with me eating a pasta?
Yo, why you keep doing that?
What?
I'm gone. I'm out, bro. That cannot. No, man. That cannot.
Cherry, I'm trying to make you laugh on your birthday. I'm trying to make you laugh on your birthday. Nateri, it's your birthday. Let's go. You know what time it is right now, ladies. I need you to turn up right now for Nateri's birthday. Put the dancing emoji right now if you want to hear some music and you want Nateri to turn up. Let's go. Shout out to my nigga V's in the building who's sponsoring this. He's sponsoring the whole event. Let's go. Boss Man Visa. Boss Man Visa. Boss Man Visa is in the building. Let's go. Ladies, if you want Nateri to turn up right now, I need you to put the dance symbol in the building. Put the dance emoji in the building right now if you want Nateri to turn up for her birthday. Let's go. Let's go skating. Come on.
Skating.
We're going skating. She wanted to go skating. Where's your skates at? Did you bring your skates?
I've never touched them.
Anybody got Nateri skates? Y'all don't got her skates? Y'all left them in Puerto Rico? Wow. I bought you those skates, which were $200 fucking dollars. And let me tell you something, man. Hey, man, let me tell you something. Hold on. My friend. I bought you those fucking skates for $200 fucking dollars.
Y'all left them, not me.
Mira. I was in Puerto Rico, and I bought you those fucking skates, right? And you telling me right now that you don't have them?
No, I do not.
They were fucking $200-300 for those skates.
So why they're not here?
Why did you leave those skates when you left? Why didn't you take them with you? They were a gift.
I forgot them, and then you told me...
You forget my fucking gift?
You didn't want me to take them out?
Mamicita, oh my God, ay, Mommy, why you do me like this, mommy? Please, tell me why you do me like this. I bought you the skates. You said you like to skate, right? Yeah. So I took you to a skating store, and you buy yourself some skates. And then, out of all that, you leave me, and you leave the skates in Puerto Rico. Why? Why you leave the skates there?
I'm gonna go get a drink.
You gonna go get a drink?
Yeah.
You need a drink. It's your fucking birthday. I bought you Patron. Come on, you got Patron. Hey, yo, come on, guys. Get her a drink. No, we got a bartender. You can come to you. Hey, Pop, mommy, I need you to come to the sunlight, though, because you're in the darkness right now, mommy. It's your birthday, and you need to know one thing. That this whole bottle of Patron, I opened it, I tested it, it's good. Trust me, I'm already buzzing. Mommy, look, you need to go get dressed. Oh my God, please, somebody put some clothes on her. Her hair, it looks okay, but can somebody please? Yes. No, you continue to roll the party up. And, Aya, please, put something nice on her. It's her birthday. I'm gonna talk to the DJ. Is there a song that you wanna hear? Or you can just
Hold You. Egyptian. Got me want to hold you with my arms on top.
Oh, hold you. Yeah. Yes. Oh, you wanted to feel like Jamaica in here. Okay, Rastafari. All right, you wanted to be Jamaica. We going to Jamaica, y'all. Yeah, man. Okay, yes, I. You want to be Jamaica. All right. Check. Please leave your phone on the charger. Yes, I. Yes, mama. Yes. You want it to be Jamaica. Okay, now.
Put the music on downstairs, Papa.
No, baby, she's up here right now. Baby, she's up here right now.
Thank you, Bailey.
Baby, she's up here. Oh my God, come on. She said she wants to hear this song by this guy. Oh.
This is crazy in here.
Where's the rest of it?
Smoke that.
Yeah, exactly.
Smoke that. Smoke. That's some good smoke there. Yes, I.
Jump up with your squeeze up, put me things all around you. Can you give me the tightest one you ever seen in my life?
Yo, what happened on Twitter, Seth?
You better dance.
Hey, yo, let's win sometime, guys. Let's win. We can win sometimes.
Yeah, like You just gonna let his ass get his ass? We got 5 minutes left.
Yeah, I know.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, I say get me.
Only you.
Yes, I.
I'm gonna do a shot. I'm gonna do it. That is not no shot, mommy.
Pork chops. You about to eat pork chops?
That's a shot. They have you for you.
Her pork chops.
But a shot is that's my shot. That's my shot. That's a shot glass. Hey, hey, there you go. Yes, time. Yes, I know what you wanted to really hear.